Washing in a steady stream of clear water helps us all feel clean and refreshed. The full line of Luxe Bidets allows that extra clean feeling to be accessible to everyone, everywhere. The completely adjustable spray in both the hot and cold water models offers more meticulous cleansing than just paper alone. The Luxe Bidet line is designed to exacting standards. To maintain the bidet's watertight integrity, the flow and diverter valve assembly features unibody construction with metal and ceramic interior components. This and other details assure our customers of continuous, worry-free use. The valves on the control panel adjust smoothly to deliver different levels of water pressure. In conjunction with the standard nozzles, some of our products feature specialized nozzles for female users. Additionally, our nozzles have a self-clean function and an innovative guard gate to help keep your bidet spotless. When in use, the nozzles extend below the gate, then retract when finished, and the nozzles are cleaned automatically. The gate can also be manually opened for extra nozzle cleaning. The bidet controls feature simple, one-hand operation. It's easy to adjust the flow or temperature of the water with a turn of a knob. The Luxe Bidet comes in a variety of models, ranging from the full hot and cold water dual nozzle styles to the basic single nozzle cold water styles. Luxe Bidets are equipped with high-quality standard plumbing fixtures, such as metal braided hoses and strong ceramic and metal valves. Our products are easy to install without professional help. Our bidets come with a full warranty. And to answer any questions, we offer great customer support. Try the simple, affordable, customer-acclaimed Luxe Bidet. You'll discover that complete hygiene has never been so easy.